Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial in inches, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it's going to be a latch with a move that you can print it out and it will actually move, that can hold maybe a bracelet together, but I'm going to make it a little oversized so it'll be easier to see, and then if you want to print it you can actually shrink it down. Okay, we're going to go File, New Design. Going to go in inches. We're going to go ahead and change this to plan view, and you'll know right away once I'm done making it what it's supposed to be for. So we're going to go ahead and do this at an inch. So we're going to go ahead and make 1 inch circle. Then we're going to go ahead and let's spin this. We're going to pull this, give it some thickness, 0.25 for the thickness. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and go click on that face there and go to plan view. Now you're going to go get the your crepe. Well, actually, I'm sorry about that. Undo. We want to go ahead and go to the left view. Okay, now you want to go click on your plan view. It's Control minus. Let's go ahead and spin this. We want to actually put a plane. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of this one. Go to plan or plane. And we want to click here, so we have one in the center. So go ahead and click there. Now we want to go ahead and go back to the left. Let's click left view, Control minus. We want to get our line tool, and we want to click here. So we want to click on this first line in. So we're going to go ahead and pull that up. Let's just go up 4. That'll be good. Then we're going to go over, and then we're going to come down. So we have something like this. Now we're going to go ahead and go create rounded corners. We're going to round this like this, here to here. Let's go like that. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and trim away. Let's get rid of this. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and go to the 3D mode, and you're going to spin this and make sure that it's in the center there, which it is. Now we're going to go ahead and select this, just the end point. So you're going to drag a marquee around that end point so it's glowing red, green like that. And now you're going to get your round circle. Now you're going to click right here, and you're going to drag out 0.1. Let's go 0.125 or 0.17. Yeah, let's go 0.17. That's going to be good. Okay, now you're going to go back to your 3D mode, and now you're going to select, you're going to go to pool, you're going to click there. Now you're going to go to your sweep, and then you're going to triple click till all this stuff is selected, and then go pull. Okay, this is going to be your first latch here, so you're going to go ahead and get rid of that. Don't need it anymore. And now you're going to go to your view from left. Let's go Control minus. Now keep in mind that this is oversized. It's supposed to be a connector for a bracelet, but I'm going to do it oversized, so if you want it you can scale it down. So we're going to go ahead, select all that. We're going to go Control C, Control V. We're going to get move. We're going to drag this down. Then we're going to rotate this around by grabbing the red. We're going to rotate it around 180 degrees, and then you're going to move it up kind of close to this first one, maybe about right there, and you're going to click off. And now you're going to go ahead and let's spin this. Let's go ahead and Control plus. We're going to click here, and then we're going to go get our circle tool, and we're going to add a circle right here. And we're going to add this circle to be 0.2. Then we're going to go to the 3D mode. Now we're going to pull this. Just going to pull it through all of those. Straight through. Let's go ahead and pan out. Make sure you didn't go through the handle or anything. No, you didn't go all the way through. Okay, so let's pull that to there so you can see. Go ahead, undo. Okay, let's spin this. Alright, now let's go ahead and pull that through there. So make sure you get both. For some reason it's not going through there all the way through. Undo. Spin that. Okay, let's go to pull. Let's pull this through. Okay, and if it didn't go through, then you'll just do another one on the other side. Okay, no big deal. It's not going through, so we'll go ahead and go to here. Let's pan up. Let's go ahead and click on this face. Go to your circle tool. Let's drag a type in 0.2. Okay, let's go ahead and spin this. Go to pull, and we're going to just pull that through too. Okay, so now you have a through hole there. You have two connectors. So the next thing we want to do is go ahead and come over here and get your circle tool. Click in the center there. Nope, not like that. Undo. Okay. Spin closer to here. Get your circle tool. You're going to click there. Oh, that keeps going to that one. Okay, you want to be on that one there. Okay, so let's go ahead and click the face on here. Go to circle. Click that. You want the circle to be a little bit smaller than 0.2, so we're going to go 0.18. Okay, can you see? You can see that's a little bit smaller, so that's all we really want there. And now we're going to go ahead and spin this. Okay, now you're going to go pull. You're going to select that, and you're going to pull. Let's pull that piece there. And then we're going to spin around. Actually, this isn't going through either. I want this one piece to go through. Okay, let's undo this. Let's spin this. Okay, so go to the 3D mode. Let's go ahead and pan this down. Go to pull. Let's go to cut. And let's pull this straight through. Let's spin. Okay, it did go through all the way. Okay, that's what I wanted. Okay, but I didn't want it to go through there. So let's undo that. Let's go pull. Hit the cut. Let's spin this so you're not pulling through everything. And then let's click off of it. Select. Let's go to pull. Cut it. Pull through to about there. Okay, that's what I wanted. All right, so now you're going to go ahead and get your, click on this face, click your circle tool. You're going to go ahead and type smaller than 0.2, so we're going to go 0.18. Okay, now go to your 3D mode. Let's go spin this a little bit. Okay, you're going to go ahead and pull this through until you see it. Okay, now you're going to spin it. Go ahead and pull. We're going to pull this from here up to this face here. And now we're going to pull these separately a certain distance. So we're going to go 0.05. Go ahead and spin this. Now we're going to pull this one 0.05. Okay, now you're going to get your circle tool. Let's go ahead and click here. Now you're going to make a little 0.25, and then you're going to pull that, both of these. So hold down Control key, you're going to pull these 0.05. All right, now you're going to spin this around. You're going to do the same thing over here. So go ahead and get your circle tool. No, undo. Actually, I went back to here. Sorry about that. I want to make that a little bit thicker anyways. 0.07. Okay, now you're going to spin this around. Let's make sure you click on the face. Then grab your tool. Go there. It's going to be, what was it, 0.25. Okay. Now you're going to pull. You're going to select both of these. And I believe we pull them to 0.07. Okay, so now you're going to do that. Now let's pan. Now go ahead and give these some fillets. So click there and do a fillet of 0.03. Okay, that looks good. And I'll spin that. Pull this 0.03. Okay, now we're going to go put a fillet here. 0.03, and then put one here. 0.03. Okay, now you're going to go to the left. Okay, this is going to be our latch. So you can pretty much scale this. This is 1 inch right here. These are 1 inch circles, so it's pretty big. So you'd have to scale it down pretty small to be able to use this for a chain. So basically you're going to have a chain around this end, and you're going to have a chain around this end. And they're gonna rotate, but they're not going to come apart. Probably what you want to do, we could probably select this piece here. Actually undo that. Let's select just the green. We can make this smaller if we wanted to, but I'm going to leave it the size that it is. Okay, that's going to be our little latch. Attach whatever you want here, and then whip it around, attach it here. And if you did want to scale this, you could go ahead and select, I'll show you how to do that. Select everything, go to pull, then click this little icon here that says scale body, and just click on a point. Actually, it's not going to let me do it, I don't think. Let's select everything. Scale. And then you could scale it like this. And it tells you right there, scale 0.36, 0.32. So what you'd want to do is go ahead and copy, Control C, Control V, go to your move, and then just drag this over. Do your scale on this part. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you found something useful out of the video. And as always, thanks for watching.